Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sebastian, and today in this short series of videos I'm going to cover everything you need to know to get started writing HTML. This is the first part of a series of 6 episodes where I show you how to build from scratch basic and intermediate web pages using, of course, free online web developer tools. During this training course we're gonna learn how to set up an HTML document, how to apply simple markup tags, how to add some style, and of course how to insert and manipulate media elements. So before starting, don't forget to check some other content published on my YouTube channel just in case you want to learn something else or something new. Don't forget as well that this channel has or publishes educational content, so please don't forget, subscribe, stay tuned, and without anything else to add, let's begin. So first things first, basically when you start coding some programming languages, you use or you have on the market several tools that can assist you. The first and initial tool in order to code or start coding HTML is the classic Notepad. If you're using Windows or you're using Mac versions, you have a Notepad pre-installed in your computer. On the other hand, you can use some other tools that are 100% free. For instance, we got Notepad++, a text editor focused basically in HTML or C++, or if you want a complete hackable text editor, you can use Atom. These two software are totally and 100% free, and you need to install those on your computers. However, today we're not gonna install anything. I'm not going to offer you a simple step-by-step tutorial where you can follow in order to install this type of software. We're gonna use a fully online web developer tool that is called CodePen.io. And this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is CodePen.io. CodePen.io is a social development environment. For what? For writing and building code. According to the authors, they offer us a simple tool that helps you to test some code or build simple projects or throw out simple ideas regarding HTML, CSS, and of course JavaScript. If we start scrolling down, we will see that CodePen is a community. So if you need to grab some ideas, you can check some other pens produced by other users, since this is a public tool or an open source platform. Also, basically, one of the biggest deals CodePen.io offers is the possibility to prototype new ideas, or if you have a big idea and you need to test it first, CodePen.io is the first place to start. This training course will be focused only for educational purposes, so CodePen is our first source to teach you. If this is your first time with HTML, then CodePen it's for you, and of course this set of videos are for you as well. So right now you might think or might say, okay Sebastian, we got the picture, please, we're gonna start coding right now. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do is to click in this rainbow colored button that says start coding. Once you click on start coding, you will see a basic pen. This is an untitled pen created by Captain Anonymous because we haven't created an account yet. In a simple pen view, we have 3 different boxes. The HTML box, where we are gonna use to create or put every single markup tag and syntax as well. The CSS, where we're gonna place style sheet lines, And finally, if we need to adjust the behavior of our web page documents, we're gonna use the third box, the JavaScript box. So in short words, we use the pen option, the rainbow button, to create simple test projects or just to chill and create simple tasks using HTML. But if we want to create projects, CodePen.io offers us another module, and the module is the project. So if I go back to the main page, instead of start coding, we can create a project, but we must create an account first. So let's go. We must click on the sign up button on the top right corner, and here in this window we can see what CodePen free version offered us. Remember, entrepreneurship isn't free, so we have some limited aspects when we use CodePen for free. For example, we can create just one project, or we can put up to 10 files in our project. On the other hand, we have full editor view, details, but if we want to collaborate with some other users, unfortunately, we can't do this in the free version. So let's begin. Sign up by email. They're asking me for the name, so I'm just going to fill out this form super quick. Okay, and username. There you go. An email. There you go. And don't forget a super memorable password, of course. Once we're done with this short form, let's click on submit. Hold on to your butts. And there you go. So let's begin with the basics. If we check the left pane menu, we will see a set of options. The first one is regular pens if you have some small or quite important ideas, or you just want to chill out and create simple web page projects. We have the project section to make bigger things, and the collection section where you can check over and over again all of your work. Let's start with the dashboard. So here in the dashboard, you see that, okay, this is where you find your own work. This is another window view where you can check pens. For example, these are no pens created yet. We have the project versions. We have created any projects yet, collections, deleted, and so on, so on, so on. So since this training cards involves a series of skills, tools, and short views about how to build HTML products, so we're gonna begin in the project section. So let's go make one. Oh, email needs verification. So that's what I told you guys. Fortunately, we have this. We just received a mail from CodePen. So let's click to verify email. And there you go. So you can go back, reload this page, and there it is. So welcome to the project editor. In the project editor, we can use several templates. For instance, if we need to use a multi-page site with Pug, or a React profile, or the best option for this course, basic HTML5 structure. So we're gonna click in here, and then our HTML5 structure is ready to be edited. Let's take a look of all 5 key sections this window has to offer. The first section is on the top. You can see options such as save all and run, or save and test, settings, change view, and the section where we can label our project. So let's start by labeling our project. The author, of course, me. The left pane menu contains every single element your project needs or your project has. We have a base HTML document. At the bottom section, you can check, or you can drag or drop or choose files in here to upload. Hey, some disclaimer first, or before continuing, guys. Basically, In the free version, we can only create documents, but we cannot import external sources such as images, videos, or another type of element. So you probably may ask, what's the purpose of having a free account in CodePen.io? In the next set of episodes, I will show you a short and easy way to insert external elements into our projects without uploading files in the left pane or into these folder roots. Finally, in order to conclude with this, we have the code view, the developer view. As you guys can see, I have a base code, and this big white rectangle section is the preview. So this is the place where magic happens. And of course, in the next episode, we're gonna learn how to start editing this base HTML document in order to produce, as you guys know, a cool HTML project. So this is it. This is the view we're gonna use for this project. Now you guys know that CodePen.io is the best choice if you want to start creating HTML products or just simply start programming in order to encourage or improve, of course, your skills in this amazing world of computers and technology. So for the next episode, we're gonna start coding some elements that I call containers, and as I told you at the beginning of the video, don't forget, stay tuned, subscribe, and of course, keep up the good work. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.